Hi, my name is Mary. All About Cats is about our kitty Tiger and written by John Cappleman. 200 stories you can find on Google at Cappleman underscore 45779 /X. Cat, Tummy Leap 135. Daddy's tummy is Kitty's springboard, launching him through the air. 'Cause sitting on this pillow top, I'm wondering, where's the floor? But looking down from Daddy's tummy, it feels so right to jump, leaping up and bouncing high, landing on all fours.